Good morning. It's October the 11th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day. We'll start with a disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, I hope everybody had a great evening. Woke up this morning, it was 35 degrees. And naturally, Henry wanted to go out and enjoy that, and he wouldn't come back in the house. I left him out there on the deck guarding the back door, breathing in all that cold air. And last night on his walk, he was pretty frisky. Only had one gear high last night. We're going to have auctions today in the treasuries. We've got the 3-year at 11:30. We've got the 10-year at 1. My guess is that they're going to run the market up into the 3-year and then take it down into the 10-year. So more interested in the long side of the market than the short side. We are at resistance. 8 to 12 is resistance. So 7 to 11, let them sell it on the open. Take it down to the buck. 15 to 19, sell 2. So we're gonna. I like the long side better than the short side. 1 to 5 is buy, and 25 to 29 for buy 2. Today's news: Jolts 6.16 million. Usually doesn't impact the market. Sometimes it does when it's the only piece of news. So if that number comes in, like it's 6.25 or 6.3, my guess is the market will read that very, very strong job market. Sell bonds, buy treasuries after the auction is behind us. Again, the dealer community is fully hedged. They don't stuff they can't sell, they can give back to the Fed. That's probably going to slowly be changing here. If they have to carry the paper into next week, that's okay, because they are fully hedged when they go into it. So it's not as big a deal to them as it used to be. Now, if the Fed took the put away, we get back to auctions like they used to be, where there was some risk to the dealer community and they would actually hedge for real as opposed to playing with it. Right now, they're guaranteed that they can't have any losses on the paper, and it gets down to how good they are at trading futures and the cash market against their bond positions. Four to 8, number 1, 29.01 buy 1, 21.25 buy 2. Like to buy into early weakness to see if we could extend and take out the Globex highs. I'm a bachelor for 4 days. The wife is in Alexandria, Virginia, playing with her grandchild as much as you can play with a little baby that's 3 months old. Guess you can hold them. But I've been informed that all of our recreational budget is going for airplane tickets to Alexandria, Virginia for the next year, so not going to fight that one. Okay, gold. I think the same situation we were in last night. 95.97, sell 1. Maybe 94.96. 99.01, sell 2. On the buy side, we had last night an 88 to a 90 buy. That worked out okay. Not dealing with a lot of volatility here. Then 84.86. So trying to buy 85s to 90s, sell 95s to the buck. Actually, I'm pretty impressed with how well we've been able to do with crude quite often turning in a 50, 60 tick day. We've been able to work those markets to our advantage and get close to a business plan or make it and then some. Shows we know what we're doing. Goes to show you, right? Okay, we had a 75.85 sell yesterday. That's kind of where we are right now. Trying to trade up, so let's make it 80 to 90. Sell one. 119.15, 119.25. Sell two. Got to pick up this little low volume area right there. Pretty square distribution. Volume's leaning P. Looks like we got some pretty good buying at 50, so 45, 55 buy one. Pick this up. And then 25, 35 buy two. Pick this up right in here. That B to A bottom for buy two. But that medicine I have to put in my eye itches. It's all I can do to keep my hands off of it, and sometimes I don't do a very good job at that. This has not been my year for physical health. And I don't have any complaints compared to a lot of people out there, but it's interesting. We are okay. We are at 89, so we'll make 51, 51 and a quarter. Sell one. 51.50, 51.75. Sell two. On the buy side, we have this breakout that came at 68. We had the last rotate down at 48. We're at 88, so let's play for 50 and a quarter, 50.50, and we'll put a question mark at 75. That could hold. We weren't able to take that out late yesterday. Then 49.75.50. We'll have the APIs tonight and the EIA report tomorrow, and they want to see draws in gasoline. The E-mini, I have a seller at 25.50, and we have had a buyer at 35 to 40. Today's JOLTS news usually does not move the markets, but it's the only piece of news we have today, so it might have some impact. I think the market is still trading higher. You can see that we're building value here in the 45, 46 area. You just see where the volume is all across. We've had a buyer below 44. Definitely below 42. Had this breakout from 39, so I'm hoping to buy. Let them get stops below yesterday's lows. Buy it a little cheap. 40.42 for buy one, and 35.37 for buy two. 49.51 sell 1, and then 50. I'm going to jump it up to 58 to 60 for sell 2. I think if we take out 53, we'll get through 55 pretty quickly. Next stop should be 25.75. Okay, you're going to take a bit to get everything up and posted, get it all moved around. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.